Welcome morning school assembly speech for the students. Today we're going to see the topic is look at the watch. The watch itself have that spelling WATCH. It's have that unique meanings. Let's see. Hello students, good morning to all. I have a thought-provoking message for you today. We all use watches to know time, but the word watch also means to pay close attention. What should we pay attention to? Yes, we should pay attention to our words. W for words that should express positive energies, and A for actions that should not harm others. T thoughts that should give hopes to both ourselves and others. C characters that should bring happiness and excitement to others and also our health. H for health, pay attention to our physical and mental health. We should not do anything that our body or mind doesn't agree with us. Therefore, my dear students, from today onwards, let's make a commitment to always pay attention to our words, actions, thoughts, and characters, ensuring they are always positive and good. Let's also strive and try to maintain good health. Thank you. Have a nice day.